How to change the lock screen, clock widget, font, and color on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the left-hand side panel. And here, tap on the clock widget panel. And then you can tap on the font style at the top here. So swipe across to the left or to the right to view more options. So here we can change the clock font. Now you can also increase the thickness of the font by dragging on the slider bar to the left to decrease the thickness, or to increase the thickness you can drag it to the right. At the bottom here are the colors to change your clock. So we have gradient color, single color, so you can change the color by dragging on the slider bar at the bottom here to make it brighter or darker. And swiping across will allow you to choose more color. You can tap on this color wheel to open up a color picker. And here I can select a color from a spectrum, from a grid, or from slider. And then tap on close. And here you can make it dimmer or darker. And that's it. So that is how you can change the lock screen clock widget, font, and color on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, tap on the Done button to save the changes. And then swipe up to return back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.